Two questions related to the validity of a contract of sale of land. First one, is an oral agreement for the sale of land valid? Purchaser and seller agree that the seller will sell his house for 2 million rand to the purchaser and that the purchase price is payable on the 1st of June, etc. Is that agreement enforceable? If one of the parties now decides not to proceed with the transaction, can the other party force that party to indeed comply with the oral agreement? Answer is no. In terms of the Alienation of Land Act, and more specifically Section 2 thereof, any contract of sale of land must be in writing and signed by both parties for it to be valid. So any oral agreement for the sale of land is not valid and enforceable between the parties. By the way, an oral contract of lease is indeed valid, and there no formality requirements are prescribed in our law. Next question is, what if no witnesses have signed the agreement of sale? Would that be a valid and enforceable contract? Answer is yes, and there seems to be a bit of a misconception, probably because it's practice to let two witnesses sign the agreement of sale together with the parties, but it's actually not a formality requirement set out in the Alienation of Land Act. So that agreement would indeed be valid as long as it's in writing and as long as the seller and the purchaser have both signed the contract of sale. With a will, a testament, the witnesses indeed have to sign for that to constitute a legal will or testament of the deceased. So there witnesses are required, but once again, not for a contract of sale of land.